What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this is part 2 of my power steering video. Today I'm going to be addressing how to replace this tube right here, that tube right there, how to uninstall the joint return hose down below. Some of the clamps, they're pretty weak, so it's leaking down there. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Just keep in mind when I did this, the fluid is already drained out, so if you guys want to see the flush, just see part 1. And for the installation of this reservoir tank and the hoses to put it back, see part 1 as well. Alright, so let me get to it and show you guys. Alright, so the challenging part. Let's see if we can do this. Right? See that clamp right there? That's the one we're going to be replacing. See if I can focus that thing. Yeah, right there. It looks like this. Alright. And there's also a plastic part. It's like a bracket that connects to the body of the car. Alright, it just inserts like that. Pry that thing up and try to remove that. And the problem is there's not a lot of space there. So I'm gonna see, man. I'm gonna try. Before loosening up that bolt right there, I recommend not to remove the 10mm bolt right here first. Just keep that in there until you loosen the sucker up. You probably want to spray some WD-40 as well. This is the best angle I can do to show you guys what I'm doing. Let's see if I could focus. Alright, so I'm working on the plastic part. So what I'm doing, I'm just prying it with a flathead to pop that sucker out. And I just did. Get that out of there. And you can see it's pretty much leaking all over that sucker, man. Alright. Now to remove the plastic part, honestly you don't have to take it out, but boom, there you go. Pop that sucker. I don't even know where it went, man. Gonna have to look for that stuff later. And next up, let's get this clamp removed if we can. Not a lot of room here, guys, sorry. Come on, dude. Wow. It's like literally right there, man. Oh, my back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Damn. Damn. That sucks, man. Next, to remove the stupid clamp, we have to remove the tube altogether. Oh man, this thing is just stuck there forever. Oh man. Oh, smack, dude. Alright. Then by the way, this tube right here, if you replace this sucker, it's hella expensive, man. For a stupid ass tube, man. Oh, now we can twist it a little bit. Maybe. Oh man. Let's go. Oh. Holy crap. Alright, I'm gonna take a break real quick. Alright, so back again. Around, I don't know, 9,056. Holy crap. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh. up. Alright, move this tube on the outer layer. Make it easier. Alright, now we're golden. Holy crap, what's wrong with this tube, dude? Alright, here we go again. You know what's funny? I already removed that sucker. It was already off, but I forgot to record it. So I plugged that back in, and now, wow, I'm back in the same situation. My goodness sake. Oh man, dude. This thing is like hard as hell, dude. It's not really difficult, it's just that there's not a lot of space to work with. Oh man, I'm almost there again. Ah, there it is. Wow, that was annoying. And now, this thing just comes off. Yeah. And let's put the new one in. So let's install this new clamp. And snap this thing in here. Yeah, man. I feel like it's installing the other clamp instead of this clamp, man. Let's try that. Let's see if I can get another clamp. Alright, so I'm gonna go experiment. I'm gonna put 2 of these clamps. Okay? These clamps right here. And I wanna see if this thing can handle the pressure. If it doesn't leak, boom. Good to go. If not, then I guess I have to do more work. Alright, get in there. Man, that thing just went in like easily earlier. Now it won't go in. There it is. Alright, so that's in there. Alright. Now I'm gonna tighten that sucker up. Let's tighten this sucker up. I'm gonna use a 6mm for this little one. Because no space for a flathead in there. But yeah, we'll do that right now. Cleaned up this whole area right here around the tubing. So I know if it leaks. The next step, alright, since I'm done with the one on the right side right here. Alright, I'm literally on top of my resonator box. And the next one is down below. You can't really see it here, so let me squeeze my camera in here so I can show you guys. There it is. It's right there. So you pretty much access this from the top of the resonator box, or you can go underneath below. You're looking at the clamp right here. I did wiggle it a little bit. Tension's pretty much gone, so, and you can see all the fluid leaking. Definitely need to replace the clamps. So I'm gonna work on that right now, and I'll show you guys when I'm finished. Like the other one, once you got it loose, all right, you can just take the screw out. There you go. We got the screw out. just like that. And then we can take out that clamp. I got the clamp off, so now I need to remove the tubing. By the way, I want to hear your comments. Please drop one below. See if there's an easy way to do this. I do recommend to just replace the whole tubing as well. Get a new one and then replace the new clamps if you're doing this so you don't have to do it again later on. Yep, let me get this done. I got this thing removed. Put my 2 clamps in it, ready to go. I inspected the tube. There's no cracks, flexibility still there. Still bend this thing. Doesn't seem like it's gonna crack or anything like that, so the tube's still good. There we go, that's how it looks like. And I'm gonna install the sucker back in there, okay? I'm gonna wipe, put some Ultimate Black in it, just a little bit. Yeah. Put some Ultimate Black in here. Make it look a little shinier. Restore some of that beauty. And then next up, there's 2 more the screw clamps over there. Look at that, it's pretty much, yeah, it's rusted as hell. So I'm gonna replace it with this brand new one. All right, the 2 ones down below. And I probably won't be able to film it because, like I said, there's not much space in there. And you can tell it's the old one and this is the new one. Let's see how this thing is pretty much warped up. Like I said, tension goes away in time. Hopefully I don't have to deal with this thing and the other screws in the bottom by just replacing this screw right here. All right, with a new one and tighten it up. Just to show you the other 2 clamps I'm trying to remove is this one right here on the left and one right here on the right. They're very deep in there. Like I said, there's a little much space to work with. I mean, you can probably go underneath the car if you jack up the car, but I just don't feel like doing that right now, so I'm just gonna unscrew them both, replace the 2 screws, and if it's not too hard, I might just remove the hose in general and replace the clamps. Well, we'll see what we can do. This replaced, and the other one right here on the right replaced. Kept it dry around it, so later on I could check if it's leaking still. Now I'm gonna put this bracket over here by the frame. So it's just inserts in here. You just pretty much press that thing in there. There you go. All right. Now we're in business. Put the sucker in there. Lock it. There it is. Let's lock. Now we can just put back our 10 mil bolt over here on the side where my finger is at. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. And now we can start working on the reservoir hoses. All right, so for this tube, this is the part number for this one, and the clamp, that is the one, and the clamp for this one, it's the part number right there. Okay, and for this tube, that's the part number right there, guys. All right, so let's get this going. Pop that sucker out. There's gonna be some fluid in here still, so make sure you're ready for it. Man, that thing is just too easy. That's too easy. That means it's pretty much worn out. All right, I'm replacing that. That's it. That easy. All right, take a look at the clamps, guys. Look at that. It's yeah, you can tell that the tension in this one is gone already, so that's why it's leaking. And I don't want to use the other clamp, like these clamps right here, just because this is plastic, so I might like crush it or crack it by tightening it too much. So Yeah, that's why I went with this one, the original one. Push it all the way in until it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, let's install the other house. All right in there. This is pretty cool. You just remove this red piece right here and it'll tighten up. Alright, we'll put the other one in. This one's still good, this clamp. Alright, so with all that installed, I'm gonna put it back in the car. All this part right here, pump rebuild, use hoses, easy peasy, guys. Super easy. Down below though, it's a different story. I really struggled. It's a pain. So if you guys know a way to do it easy, let me know. Put a comment down below, please. I want to hear your style of doing it. And that's it for me. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and be humble. Peace, guys.